Hey, hi guys, I'm back again. So I'm going to show you the ingredients for the rice and beans. So here I have the beans. Obviously these are small red kidney beans, a quarter of a bag of dried beans that I put to boil, and these are the seasonings that I'll be using to make the rice. So I have half a teaspoon of complete seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic salt powder, a teaspoon of adobo, and a teaspoon of salt. I have here a little piece of butter. This is a very small piece of onions chopped small, garlic, shallot, 1 hot pepper, some thyme, some cloves, coconut, cream coconut, and I have some épices that I'm going to use in there. So that, stay tuned. I'm going to come back and show you how to make the rice and beans, Haitian rice. Alright guys, here I am again. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the onions and the shallot, the garlic. I'm just going to like saute it just a little, not even a lot. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my épices, which is what I showed you before in the previous tutorial. I'm just going to do about 1 1/4 of a spoon. I'm just going to stir that in. Smells so good. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my dry seasonings. And kind of just stir that in. Stay tuned. I'm going to come back and show you the rest of it. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the cloves and the thyme now. Turn on the fire because the cloves will start to kind of pop and open up. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my beans. And I'm going to kind of stir that up so the seasoning marries in there. Smells so good. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my butter. And I'm going to add in the water that I used to make the peas. So the water from off of the beans, I'm just going to add that back in. And I'm going to bring it to a boil. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my coconut, my cream coconut, and let it boil for about 15 minutes. And I'll come back and show you the rest. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I'm back again. This is the rice I'm going to add in now. So I'm using parboiled long grain rice. Most Haitian people use a rice called Madame Goussier. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It comes in a white bag with a lady, looks like she has like a tie head on her head. And I think it's scented. That's what they use. But I'm using what I have, which will turn out the same way. The only thing is it probably won't have the scent. So I'm just going to go ahead and I think I'm going to actually add a little bit more rice to this because it's a little bit more water. And I'm going to actually go ahead and let this boil down, turn the fire down and let it cook. And then, like I always do, add a piece of aluminum foil at the top to steam the rice out. And I will come back and show you the finished rice. Alright guys, I'm back. So here is the rice. It looks very similar to Jamaican rice and beans. The only difference is the taste. And there's a different scent when you use the jasmine rice. But it tastes very good. It's so well seasoned. And and like I said, it looks just like our rice and peas. The only difference is the taste and the ingredients that was used inside of it. But it tastes so good. And I'm going to have this with the fried pork and some gravy. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, Haitian rice and beans. And I hope you try it. And tag me in the video or when you make it. Have a good evening all, and thank you again for watching my channel.